Reading is one of the strategies to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation in Nigerian Pidgin English. As you listen to the text being read, take note of the underlined words and expressions. They will be pronounced and explained in the glossary at the end of the text. Should you come across any additional words or expression that you don't understand and they are not explained, put them in the comment section for further clarification. Respect. Respect na something wey we no dey take play for Naija and most part of Africa. If somebody senior you with 1 year, you go still need to respect am. We dey call our senior brother, broda, and our senior sister, auntie. Even somebody wey you no know, so far the person old pass you, you go call am broda, uncle, or auntie. If na elderly person, you go call am daddy or baba. If na woman, you go call am mommy or mama. Depending on the culture, if you wan greet person wey old pass you, you must prostrate. If na Yoruba people, for guys, and if na for ladies, then go kneel down. Other culture, you need to bow somehow to show respect. If you disrespect older person, people wey dey around you fit gather woz you. Important names for family members: Papa, old man, Pale, Popsi. Old woman, Mama, Male, Momsi. Grandpapa, Grandmama. Pikin, children, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, cousin, in-laws, oga, madam. Senior brother, senior sister, old pass, woz you.